So I think I'm a few days late on this, but a huge update from Perplexity where they just added shopping inside their AI search engine. So guys, in this video, I'm going to cover what this all means and how you can access it. So be sure to stick around to the very end. Now, if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan, and my mission is to help you navigate the overwhelming world of artificial intelligence. And if you want to know my favorite AI tools and prompts that I use every day for marketing and content creation, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. You can find the link for this below this video. But now let's dive back into Perplexity Shopping. So I first noticed this new shopping update when I was on Perplexity doing some research related task, and right here under the search bar, I noticed shop with Perplexity and it has new right there. So I know it's a new update. So I'm like, what is this? And so I click learn more, and this took me to a shopping page on Perplexity's website. And I'll leave a link to this and everything else that I mentioned in the video description below. And so right here, they have a video kind of explaining how this works. Now, I won't play the entire thing, just probably a few seconds of this. I'll be sure to find a link on YouTube. I'm sure this is on YouTube, and I'll leave this in the video description below so you guys can actually look at the official source from Perplexity. But right here, it just shows you kind of a demo walkthrough of what this looks like compared to traditional Google Shopping results or any other e-commerce search engine that has e-commerce functionalities. So that's a good little video there too. And if you scroll down, they have actual examples that you can look at. So these will take you to Perplexity search results. So right here, get started with 3D printing, find the comfiest headphones. And if I click that, it takes me to a result with the shopping features integrated. Now, this is important here that I click this. You'll see this says visit site, and this is the new update, Buy with Pro. So not all retailers or products qualify or are in this Buy with Pro program. As you'll see, it's still taking you like a traditional e-commerce shopping experience would to the actual merchant's website. But looks like Buy with Pro, where you can just one-click purchase something from Perplexity for certain products and merchants. Now, before I keep going down this rabbit hole, there are a couple important disclaimers I have to note about this. It says, number one, it says for Perplexity Pro users in the US. So there's a couple things to note there. This is only available in the US right now. I'm not sure when Perplexity is going to roll this out. I would assume hopefully soon to other parts of the world. And it is only for Perplexity Pro users. You do get free shipping though. It says, plus you'll get free shipping on all Buy with Pro orders as a thank you for shopping with Perplexity. If Buy with Pro isn't available, we'll redirect you to the merchant's website to complete your purchase. So you must be a member of Perplexity Pro in order to use this new shopping feature. It is still $20 a month from what I understand. I have a full video covering Perplexity Pro. You can find that in the video description below. And this is just a nice little added bonus to becoming a member of Perplexity Pro. Maybe sometimes shipping is $5, $10. So that $20 a month fee, if you're going to buy something on Perplexity, probably doesn't look that bad in addition to all the other bonuses that you get. And so you can read through this. They also talk about the merchant program. So you figure out how to actually sell things using Perplexity Shop. You can become a merchant and sell your own products. So it says increased chances of becoming a recommended product, payment integrations, free API access, a custom dashboard. And as more users kind of flock to these AI-powered search engines like Perplexity, and it is gaining a lot of popularity. I mean, I'll do this on the fly here. If I pull up, let's do Google Trends, and I type in Perplexity, I mean, you guys can see this is the past 12 months. So we're already seeing this is just from people on Google searching for the term perplexity. You see the trajectory there over the past 12 months, and it is only getting higher. So there is a bigger influx of traffic coming to Perplexity's website, which will lead to this shopping feature becoming more important. So let's do a quick test now and compare what this experience looks like to traditional Google search when you're looking for a product online. And so what I did in this example was best podcast microphone for beginners. I was actually just in the market for a new podcast microphone. You can obviously add whatever variant you want under $100 for videos, etc. I just did this little quick example. And here's what my result looks like using Perplexity. So right here, typical what you get with a pro search. It gives you an answer. It links off to a bunch of different sources. And then if I scroll down, here's the related products. And right here, this is traditional e-commerce. So this Buy with Pro is not integrated with every merchant right now. It's brand new. So right here, if I click this, this is still going to be a traditional e-commerce shopping experience. Takes me to the retailer's website. But right here, where I have Buy with Pro, it looks like Best Buy must be a verified merchant with them. Same with Target. There's more options here. There's another option, buy with Shop Pay. So it looks like Best Buy and Target are verified merchants, at least from what I'm understanding here. And if I click Buy with Pro for this Blue Yeti, this is what it looks like. It's a one-click, very simple shopping experience checkout. So right here, add phone number, add payment. You can change your color. There's a little description. What I don't like is there's not a lot of images here. It's just the one image. There's no reviews. I mean, I'd have to go an extra step and look for reviews somewhere. But it is very simple. If you know what you're going to get, it is a very simple process, which can be beneficial for a lot of people. What I don't understand either is that I am a member of Perplexity Pro, so you'd think it would have my billing information on hand, basically to make this experience a lot quicker. Maybe I want to use a different card though. I don't know, just something quick that I thought of. And if I compare this search result to Google, I did the exact same search, best podcast microphone for beginners. The very first thing that I don't like about shopping on Google is sponsored. There are so many Google shopping ads up top that it's hard to get anything organic unless it's coming from, a listicle type article or a different website. Reddit, here's Best Buy right here, YouTube videos if you want to look at reviews. Like, the experience itself on Google is better in my opinion, especially on the left. Notice all the different filters you have options for, whether it's price, connector type, use. I mean, look at all these different filters, free shipping, size, et cetera, et cetera. But I mean, Perplexity Pro could start taking away some traffic when it comes to e-commerce. And think about this, from a marketing perspective. Let's look at this from Google's perspective really quickly. As more people start to use Perplexity for potentially e-commerce type intent, think about this. Think about the amount of ad revenue they could potentially lose on Google shopping listings. So instead of coming in here and clicking through an ad, I could type this, like this example right here, this Blue Yeti mic. Instead of clicking this ad and Google making money from Amazon for that ad, I could simply come back to Perplexity here. If I go to the right tab, click Buy with Pro, and no one made any money from that besides the retailer. Obviously, Perplexity's still making their money if you're subscribed to Perplexity Pro, which is $20 a month, but they're not getting ad revenue right now for this. I'm sure that will come, and they just added search ads recently, so they're kind of rolling this out just to see what happens. Those are just a couple quick reactions that I had as a marketer trying to think like this and all the implications when I look at Perplexity's shopping experience versus what you see versus traditional Google shopping. Now, with all that being said, I want to hear what you guys have to say about this new shopping update from Perplexity. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think this is good? Are you enticed to buy something on Perplexity? Will this entice you to sign up for Pro? There's so many questions, but we'll see how this pans out in the future. But I appreciate you all if you've made it this far. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you found value, but most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.